Hello there and welcome to the Mobile Academy. And if you want to become a job ready Flutter developer, make sure to check out the courses on my website mobileacademy.io. Here you will find all of the courses related to the Flutter development. You will find the professional course as well as the basic course related to the Flutter. You can also find some of the free courses over here if you want to just go and try it out, or if you are just a beginner on the Flutter and then the React Native, you can also find the free course over here. And if you would like to be a full stack developer, we also have the course related to the full stack developer, related to the Node.js, Express, MongoDB, as well as the Flutter over here. And if you would like to join the Flutter bootcamp, there is also a bootcamp course over here. So make sure to go and check out the course over here. There are free and then the paid course. And if you want to be a job ready Flutter developer, this is the course that you want to take. So see you guys on the next lesson. Till then, have a great day. Now let us go and work with our UI, which will be of our screen. And first we'll work with our task screen, where we will load the list of our tasks. So for that, what we'll do is we'll go on to this particular state, and let's have the init state over here, and let's just go and remove this one from here. And we need to add the widget binding over here. Let's just go and add sorry, not the observer, widget binding over here, dot the instance, and we'll add the post frame callback. And in this post frame callback, we need to call our API. So for that, we'll just go and add our ref dot the read. So we just need to read our task view model provider that we have created previously, and then the notifier, and we'll just go and call it get all of our tasks. So this should go and call the API, and once it is ready, our UI or our state will be updated. And once the state is updated, what we need to do is we need to go and listen over here. So let's just go over here, and I'm going to ref.watch. So let's say a final, and I'll just call this one as a data, and that will be equal to ref.the_watch. So we need to watch our state over here. That will be of the task view model provider, and I'll go and select only a single value from here. That will be of the value dot the tasks. So this will be the list of our tasks. So once we have this particular data, let's go down over here, and let's just go and arrange this one properly. This will be of our home and body. In the body, let's just go and remove this single child scroll view over here. We will add our, let's go and add our, so let me just remove all of this from here. And in the body, once we have that particular data, let's just go and data. Since this is a async value, I can use a when. So when the data, when there is of data, error, and then the loading. So this is the beauty of using the async value. So we can have the loading error state over here easily. So let's just go and arrange it properly. And once we have this particular data, what we want to do is we want to create a list view over here. So let's just go and load a simple list view over here. And I'll just go and say the data will provide us the data itself, right? And I'll just make this one as a task, or this will be of the let's say a task over here, right? And once we have that particular task, what we can do is from here we'll just go and return our list view builder over here, list view dot the builder over here, and we have the item builder. So let's just go and close this one properly, or let's just go and arrange this one properly, and let me just go and close it over here. And we need the item count that will be from this particular task that we have dot the length that we get. And in the item builder, we need to provide the build context and then the as an index. So we need a context, right, and then the index over here. And once we have that, I will just go and say a single task, which will be of the task from the index that we get. Now we have our task data over here, and I think we'll just go and return from here. Let's go and return a card, a simple card over here. And with this particular card, let me just go and close this one over here, and we will have a child for this particular class. And let's just add a list style over here, a simple list style over here. And with this list style, we'll just go and add the title that will be of our text. So let's just go and add the text over here, and text will be from the tags, not the text over here that we have. And we'll add a title, and we can add the subtitle, right? And subtitle will be again of the text, and it will be of the day. And we'll add the trailing over here. So at the end of the card, we will or the list style will add a trailing icon. We'll just go and say the tags dot the remember that we have, right? If there is that, then we will just go and add the alarm icon, right? If there is a if that is true, then we'll go and add the icon of the alarm. Otherwise, we'll just go and add the icon of the alarm off over here. As well as what we'll do is for this one, let's just go and arrange it properly over here, and we'll add the color for this one. So color color, and colors dot the green, so that if it is of true, we'll just say colors dot the green, and otherwise we'll just go and say the color, right? So this will be the color, and then the colors dot the red. So if it is of the off, then we'll just go and say this is in the red color. So that should be the one that we currently are looking into. And once we have the simple card ready, we need to go to our error handler over here, and this will return us the error and then the stack trace for us. And once we have that, we'll just go and say the center over here, and then in the center we'll just go and load the child, and child will just go and call a simple text over here, text, and we'll just load the e dot to the string. So let's just go a simple error message over here. That will be perfectly fine. And in the loading, we don't get any of the option, and we just need to return from here a const of the center, and we'll load a circular progress indicator once that is in the loading state. So if you can remember, once we created that this particular task state, the default value is of loading, so which will basically create the loading state for us. And if there is this particular data, then we'll get a list view. If there is an error, then we'll go and show this particular text view. And that should be, I guess, what we all need for currently. And let's go and reload or restart our application, and let's go to our the stimulator over here. And now you can see that we got this particular the tags over here. So here we got the 10 tags. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that's look pretty cool over here. So now we already have our list of the tags, and we have the icon as well, right? And this is the simple one. So there is nothing fancy over here, but we were able to load our list of the tags perfectly fine. And it should have the loading state as well as the error state. And now if I try to restart this application, we should see that loading state is over there. That's perfectly fine. And that's all for this lesson, and we will move into our next lesson, and where we will learn how we can add or create a task. Till then, have a great day.